Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see from the title, we are going to be speaking about a topic that Neville Goddard called mental miscarriages. So first, let's get into what a mental miscarriage is, and then we will speak about my thoughts on it and some tips and tricks for you to use. A mental miscarriage is when you self-sabotage your manifestation. So you've planted the seed or set your intention with the universe. But your thoughts, feelings, assumptions, and beliefs are not in alignment with the outcome you want to manifest, which cancels your manifestation. This can be caused by many different things. Maybe you do not feel worthy, or you have a lot of fear or doubt. Perhaps you are having obsessive thoughts about whether what you are doing is right, or whether your manifestation is coming or not. This is what a mental miscarriage is, the feeling of your manifestation being canceled. Now, I personally do not feel that this is possible. And even if it were the law of attraction and the other universal laws of the universe, never stop working. So how can you cancel your manifestation? Now, of course, if you want to cancel a manifestation, you just stop focusing on it. But if it is something you still desire, you can shift your thoughts at any given moment to align with the reality that you want to live. Before we continue, just a quick reminder that if you are enjoying this video, definitely consider liking the video and subscribing for more. I could choose right now to allow negative thoughts about my manifestations to consume my mind. And then a second later, I can say no. I want this, and I am only going to entertain the thoughts that support the reality I want. So the thoughts I had before haven't canceled anything. They may cause a delay, though. However, the more you focus on your manifestation as if it is already yours, brings in quicker results. We all have those days where we allow the negative self-talk to creep in and we are thrown off. But it is all about awareness and being able to catch yourself before you begin overthinking. So if you ever find yourself going on a downward spiral, you can choose in that moment to shift where you are sending your energy. Because the moment you do that, you are taking your power back. So even if you have a moment where you feel as though you have ruined your manifestation, I want you to pick yourself up and shift your thoughts right away to the desired outcome, because your manifestation cannot be canceled unless you choose for it to be. If you want, you can do a visualization or anything that will help you with feeling the feeling of your wish fulfilled. And you want to do this as often as you can, because we tend to use our method of choice to manifest what we want. And that takes about 30 mins max. And then the rest of the day, we may have thoughts that do not align with what we want. And it is our dominant thoughts that manifest. So be sure to send your energy to your manifestation throughout the day also. And that is it for this video, my loves. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, sending you lots of love and light.